how to delete all Instagram posts at once. So if you want to delete all of the Instagram posts at once, then first of all open up your Instagram application, and then you can go for profile, which is on the bottom right, and here you will have your post, right? So let me tell you one thing, that you don't have an option to delete all of your posts at once, but you can do that individually. So simply choose a photo or a post, and then you can go for the upper right corner, which has that three dots icon, and here you will have delete option. Tap on delete, and then you can restore this post from recently deleted in your activity within 30 days, and after that it will permanently delete it. So if you want to restore this post, you will be having 30 days, and if you didn't restore the post within 30 days, then your post will be automatically deleted. So if you want to delete that, simply tap on delete and your post will be deleted. So simply do that with your all post, and that's it. That's how you delete post. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.